Now let's update this record. So to update this record, we go again in web.php and we make one route. So we'll make another route, and this route will be, you can make the post route to update record. So I'll write the post slash update, post slash update, and here will be the update, and we have to find the ID of the record that we're going to update, and we'll simply write here update, posted update. Okay, so now let's go to update method here. So we'll make the update method here. So let's make the update method public public function update, and here I'll write book and find the book that you want to update. Book find ID, so this will find the book that I want to update, and then so here will be the request and ID. Since we have ID coming from our URL, you can see, so we need here one ID, we need to accept that ID, and we're finding about book based on that ID, right? So now we can write something like this. We find this and we write a book, and then we'll write the name and whatever we get from the form, request name, and copy same thing, and this will be description, dsc RIP description, dsc RIP DION description. So these things we are getting from the form, and we are saving this into the database. So we are getting this from the form. So first we get the name and we save in the name, then we get the description, dsc RIP DION description, we save in the description, we get the description, we get the category from the form, and we save into the category, category category, and finally write save, book save. And what to do, we return back and we give the message. Okay, we write this and return back with the message book updated, and this time let's write routes, because I don't want to redirect there, I want to redirect to the index page. So index page is route is book.index, so we redirect this page book.index, route. Okay, so once this record is saved, we'll redirect user to the route page. So something error here, so return route, return route book.index is because, so whenever you use route we need to write redirect also. So return, redirect, and route. Okay, so we are redirect route and book.index, so that means we are redirecting to the main page, which is the book page. So once we first find the record and we get the name from the form, put here, get the description, put in the description, get the category, put in the description, and finally category, put in the category, and finally save and return user. So now we'll go in the edit and we have to provide the action. So now action is not a store, it's the book dot update, and we need to pass ID here, and you can see from the edit method we're passing the book here, right? We're passing to the book.edit, and this is the edit method. Now we need this ID here, book ID. We need ID because in update method we have the IDs, we are accepting ID. Right, now only thing I have to do here is include the flash message. So let's copy this because we don't have flash message in the index.play.php. So let's copy here and let's paste over here, and let's try to update this record. So refresh this, and I'll make educational to biography book, and this is Masters in Laravel, this is biography of biography biography of scientist, SCINTS, scientist, and buy a book. And now let's submit this, and you can see book updated. Now is the biography book, right?